Hey guys, so if you're looking for how to connect your Sansui monitor to your Xbox, how it works is that you're gonna have the Sansui monitor is going to have ports that you're gonna have the HDMI port there. And what you're gonna do is that you just have to connect the HDMI if you have the cable to your Xbox, but I don't know what kind of Xbox you got, like Xbox One, Xbox Series X, S, and you're just gonna connect it to it. That's it. But maybe if the Xbox, I don't know what kind of version you got HDMI mini, then you need to buy the adapter. So HDMI to HDMI mini adapter, and you need to buy that. Or if you want, you can try to connect it with the USB-C. Maybe you can try that, or DP even, and connect it that way. So again, you're just gonna connect it from the back where you're gonna have the USB-C to HDMI adapter. And that's something you can also buy. So yeah, hope this video helped you, and this is something that you can try to do. And yeah.